Saturday morning, our neighborhood held its annual community garden open house. Hubby, Mama, and Kakak woke up early, got their coupons ready, and headed to the community garden. What will be awaiting them? A lot of events are happening at the open house. There were ample opportunities to interact with people, also the lovely plants. Of course, in Singapore, any big events need to start with eating. Hubby, Mama, and Kakak got their nasi lemak set, an occasional upgraded breakfast. Now we started the tour at the community garden. Mama and Kakak run a small plot of land, and they are very excited to show it to us. Walking around the garden, Hubby made some attempts to identify the various veggies and fruits thriving in each plot. Each meticulously tended plot bore the unique imprint of its owner, with distinct arrangements adding to the charm of the garden. Reflecting on gardening as a metaphor for life was both intriguing and profound. Just as the Lord uses the analogy of a vine and its branches to illustrate the importance of abiding in Him, the Apostle Paul employs garden imagery to elucidate personal growth. From planting seeds to nurturing plants, pruning branches, and eventually bearing fruit, every stage of gardening embodies a lesson in patience and hope. Returning to the playground area, Mama tried some refreshing plant-based drink, and she really enjoyed that. Kids were having great fun with the lucky spin. What will be your takeaway veggies? More activities were going on. Each booth has its unique plant scene, fostering wonderful ideas and great interactions. As the open house drew to its close, kids were running around in the playground, parents chit-chatting. These seemingly mundane activities held a quiet beauty, underscored by the joy of communal sharing. Truly, there is a special beauty in collectively embracing such simple pleasures with fellow members of this community.